completing this actual method. I've completed it before I started recording this video, and as you can see, I am getting tons of resources, and if you want to get them as well, keep on watching and following the steps. Getting all the gems and coins in survivor.io is pretty difficult because we need to pay a lot of money for it, but I have found a way on how we can get unlimited amounts of coins and gems in survivor.io, and we don't have to pay any money to get them. So if you want to get the result that I got and get an unlimited amount of coins and gems in survivor.io, all you need to do is follow the steps I'll show you right now. And remember, this is not a hack or a mod, it's just a plugin for the game that allows you to have unlimited amounts of gems and coins in survivor.io for both iOS and Android devices. So let's go ahead and let's start with the tutorial. Yo, welcome to another one of my tutorials. In today's video, you'll be learning how to get this survivor.io hack for both iOS and Android devices. Guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to get unlimited gems and ammo in survivor.io with only a few steps. So guys, if you have an iPhone or an Android, you'll be able to get this survivor.io hack on your devices. So make sure you're following all of the steps. First things first, guys, let me show you how my survivor.io app actually looks after I'm done completing this actual method. I've completed it before I started recording this video, and as you can see, I am getting tons of resources, and if you want to get them as well, keep on watching and following the steps. Let's begin with the whole process. First things first, guys, and very important, make sure your survivor.io app is updated to its latest version. So go to your app store, go to your Google Play Store and check if the app needs any updates. If it does, make sure you update the app to its latest version, and if it doesn't, you're good to go and you can continue with all of the steps. So guys, let's go ahead and prepare our phones now. To prepare your Android devices, make sure you switch off that battery saver mode and make sure you're not switching it on until the rest of the process is completely over. Now, what I want you to do next is, actually, I will show you in just a second. First things first, let me show my iOS users what to do. You need to go to your settings app, then go down to general, background app refresh. Then what you need to do is go again to background app refresh and switch it on for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. Have your phone switched on like this and you'll be good to go. So guys, let's go ahead and go to our next step. But before that, guys, if you are disabled on this page right here and you can't access the background app refresh option, what I need you to do is go ahead and go back to your battery settings and switch off that low power mod option. Make sure your low power mod is switched on, off, and then switch on the background app refresh option. Now let's go ahead and head over to the next step, which includes opening our browsers. You're allowed to use any browser that you want to, guys. I'm going to be using my Safari browser right here, and let's go to this website that you see on the screen. Once you're on there, guys, what you need to do is just rummage through the website to try to find survivor.io. I'm sure that it's super easy to find, and what you need to do once you do find it is tapping on the actual app. Now, as you can see right here, I'm trying to find survivor.io. Once I do, I will be tapping on the actual app and showing you everything else you need to do to get to this amazing survivor.io hack and mod for both iOS and Android devices. As you can see, I probably missed it somewhere, so I'm going to look for it again. And then, guys, once I do find it, I will be showing you everything else you need to do. This process, guys, is super easy to complete. And of course, I'll be there for you, leading you through each and every step you need to complete. And guys, let me just try to find survivor.io so I can tap on it and lead you through the rest of the steps. I'm trying to be careful so I don't miss it this time.